One, two, three, let's count with glee. 4, 5, 6, learning's a breeze. 7, 8, 9, almost to 10. 10 little items, let's count again. Singular or plural, what do you say? A or and for one, then plurals play. Add an S or S, it's easy to see. Listen to the sound and you'll agree.
When there's just one, a special word we choose.
A for consonants, no time to lose.
Like a book, a car, a house so grand.
And for vowels across the land.
An apple,
An orange,
it's quite clear.
one sandwich, one book, let's cheer. Singular or plural, what do you say? A or and for one, then plurals play. Add an S or S, it's easy to see. Listen to the sound and you'll agree.
Many books, many bags, just add an S.
So neat, many cars, many students, can't be beat.
But for words ending in X,
Sh or sh,
we add S.
like sandwiches with a little swish.
Many houses, many computers, we learn with a smile.
Many hamburgers, many cameras, going the extra mile. Singular or plural, what do you say? A or and for one, then plurals play. Add an S or S, it's easy to see. Listen to the sound and you'll agree. Now listen closely to the sounds we make.
3 different endings, for goodness sake.
For sound like books and photographs so bright.
Students too, ending with a soft light.
For sound like cars and computers we see.
Hamburgers, cameras, happy as can be.
And for sandwiches and houses so grand.
It's when the word ends with a hissing sound.
Across the land.
So count your numbers,
1 to 10. Learn your plurals again and again.
A or and for ones,
S or S for more. English is fun. Let's explore.